we got this. This is our tool shed, but we came back here the other day, and lo and behold, thanks to our squirrels in the neighborhood, we've got a little bur oak tree that's trying to survive. So rather than mow it down, I decided maybe that this one needs a chance. Maybe it can go somewhere else to grow up and be big and tall. So we're going to try to dig it out of there, see if we can stick it in a pot temporarily until we find a new home for it. We're just going to gently dig around the base of it and try to loosen it up, because I'm not sure what kind of a root system it already has, and see how it looks. Looks like we might be getting it out. Maybe it needs to be a little bit more on this side. I'm sure that squirrel that planted this was back here looking for it at some point, but he's going to be disappointed. So what I did was just get a bucket of compost out of our, it's got some pretty good roots, out of our compost bin, and I'm going to put that in the pot to try to fill it up with, and water it and set it over to the side where it can get some light, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, there we go. Okay, we got the other one up that we had on our property, and now we're going to give them a little drink with some rainwater. I catch the rainwater in different 5-gallon buckets and such around the property, and then I'll take it, and if I don't need it right away, I'll put a lid on it. But otherwise, I've got rainwater to use on some of our plants, gardens, and stuff like that around the property.